Dr. Sakura, a popular dentist on the island, has a reputation for being able to talk to teeth. This morning, an unusual patient pays her a visit.
We're doomed! Pollution is increasing, and we're corroding due to ocean acidification caused by growing levels of dissolving carbon dioxide. At this rate, we're going to be wiped out!
It's all humans' fault.
I see. But listen to me. We're trying very hard too. In the Far East, there's a place called KANUMA. At that factory, they use green energy. And wastewater from the factory is cleaned and released in a pond where carp live.
Wow! If we could only go there in our lifetime.
Let's go to KANUMA.
You'll be able to regenerate your teeth, right?
Here we go.
Towards a world where the beauty of teeth and the natural environment are protected. Create it, NSK.